outcome document? Agenda 21. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. Agenda 21. The summit led to the development of an outcome document called Agenda 21. It's a very famous question. Next question is, who gave the idea of Gandhian plan? Aravindan, welcome Aravindan. Who gave the idea of Gandhian plan? Very famous question. Everybody knows that Gandhian plan. Joseph Chaladurai, no, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is not Joseph Chaladurai. Acharya Vinoba, no. Very famous question. Gandhian plan given by. Okay. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is Sriman Narayan Agarwal. S.N. Agarwal gave the Gandhian plan. S.N. Agarwal gave the Gandhian plan. Tarun, it is not Hussain. Sriman Narayan Agarwal. S.N. Agarwal. Okay. Sandhya gave the right answer. Okay. Next question is People's Plan. People's Plan. Alay Basil, welcome. People's Plan. Very good, Kadir Vishwanath. People's Plan given by M. Roy. People's Plan given by M. Roy. Next one is Sarvodaya Plan. Sarvodaya Plan given by Sarvodaya Plan, very famous. Very good, Aravindan. J.P. Narayan. Sarvodaya Plan given by J.P. Narayan. Okay. Gandhian Plan, S.N. Agarwal or Sriman Narayan Agarwal. People's Plan, M. Roy. Sarvodaya Plan, J.P. Narayan. Okay. Okay, my next question is, Western Dedicated Freight Corridor begins at where and ends at where? Western Dedicated Freight Corridor begins at place and state and the destination place and state. Dadri to Nehru Port, very good. Dadri, where it is located? UP to Maharashtra, okay. Western Dedicated Freight Corridor begins at Dadri in UP and till the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust near Mumbai in Maharashtra. This is the route of Western Dedicated Freight Corridor. Okay. During the roundtable conference, you have to tell who is the Viceroy. First roundtable conference. Welcome, Tara. First roundtable conference. Very easy question. Who was the Viceroy at the time? Irwin, very good. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. During first roundtable conference, Lord Irwin was the Viceroy. Second roundtable conference, who was the Viceroy? Viceroy during second roundtable conference. Here, that is Irwin is first. I am asking about second roundtable conference. Very easy question. Wellington, very good, Sandhya. Sandhya gave the right answer. During second roundtable conference, Lord Wellington was the Viceroy. Okay. Who told Gandhi? Third roundtable conference. During third roundtable conference, who was the Viceroy? Okay, third also Wellington. Very good, Aravindan. First roundtable conference, Viceroy was Lord Irwin. Second roundtable conference, Viceroy was Lord Wellington. Third roundtable conference, Viceroy was also Lord Wellington. 2 and 3, Lord Wellington. Okay. Another very easy question. First Director General of Archaeological Survey of India. First Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, ASI. Very famous question. Super, Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. Alexander Cunningham. First Director General of Archaeological Survey of India, Alexander Cunningham. Okay. Nirangari Set, founded by whom in 1851? Nirankari Set, a Sikh sect, I think. In 1851, who was the founder? Nirankari Set. Nirankari Set. Welcome, Ashwin. Very good. Babu Dayal Das. Babu Dayal Das was the founder of Nirankari Set. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. Okay, another very easy question. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is located in? Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is located in? Assam. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. Assam. Dibru-Saikhowa National Park is located in Assam. Okay. Mauling National Park is located in Meghalaya is not the right answer. Mauling National Park. Arunachal. Kadir Vishwanathan gave the right answer. Mauling National Park is located in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. Another easy question. Who is the ex officio chairman of National Tiger Conservation Authority? Ex officio chairman of National PM is not the right answer, Tarun. Ex officio chairman of National Tiger Conservation Authority, Ministry of Environment, Minister of Environment. You should not say Ministry of Environment, Minister of Environment, NTCA chairman. Okay, Kadir Vishwan gave the right answer. Okay, it's a very easy question. Which act defines the procedure to be followed for declaring an area to be a reserved forest, protected forest, or a village forest? Which act defines the procedure to be followed for declaring an area to be a reserved forest, protected forest, or a village forest? Wildlife is conservation is not the right answer. It's a very old act. FRA, no. Very old act I am saying, and you are saying FRA. Oh, 1881 is not the right answer. Indian Forest Act 1927. Indian Forest 1927 defines the procedure to be followed for declaring an area to be a reserved forest, protected forest, or a village forest. Okay. Dash is known as the Manchester of Harappan civilization for its cotton trade. Dash is known as the Manchester of Harappan civilization for its cotton trade. It is the only side of the civilization with an artificial dockyard. What is the answer? Lothal. Very good, Aravindan. Lothal is known as the Manchester of Harappan civilization for its cotton trade. It is the only site of the civilization with an artificial dockyard. Okay. Another repeated question. Kalibangan is located on the banks of river. Kalibangan is located on the banks of River Gaggar. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. Kalibangan in Rajasthan is located, famous IVC site located on the banks of River Gaggar. Okay. Next question. Dash was the only Magha Janapada situated to the south of the Vindhya range. Dash was the only Magha Janapada situated to the south of the Vindhya range. Asmaka. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. It is called Asmaka or Asaka. Both are same. Some places Asmaka will be given. In some books, they will give Asaka. Both are same. Asaka or Asmaka was the only Magha Janapada situated to the south of the Vindhya range. Okay. Kasi was located, Magha Janapada, Kasi Magha Janapada was located in the confluence of two rivers. These two rivers will join, and that place only Kasi Magha Janapada is located. Kasi Magha Janapada. Very easy question. Gadra and Koshi. No. Kasi Raibar. No. Kasi River. No. Kashi. Very easy question. The name itself you can easily identify. Kasi, Allahabad. No, I am asking the name of the two rivers. Yamuna, no, Kasi. Kasi, Varanasi only Kasi. Okay. It is in the located in the confluence of Ganga and Gomati rivers. Ganga and Gomati rivers will join together, and the place only Kasi Magha Janapada is located. Ganga and Gomati. Okay, Gokul Raj also gave the right. Who adopted the title of Adi Varaha? Very repeated question. Who adopted the title of Adi Varaha? Yes, Kadiradharan. Mihira Bhoja. Mihira Bhoja adopted the title of Adi Varaha. He's the greatest Pratikara king, Vishnu devotee. He adopted the title Mihira Bhoja. Mihira Bhoja adopted the title Adi Varaha. Okay. Because of devotion to Vishnu, he adopted this title. Okay. A very easy question. It is a project, early warning system in space to detect debris and hazards to Indian satellites by ISRO. Very easy question. Yeah, early warning system in space to detect debris and hazards to Indian satellites by ISRO. What is the name of the project? There is no need to think. It's that much easy question. Netra, very good, Aravindan. Project Netra. It is an initiative of ISRO for early warning system in space to detect debris and hazards to the Indian satellites. Okay. Kartarpur Shrine, we came across news. It's located on the banks of what river? Kartarpur Shrine. Kartarpur Shrine. Located the banks of Dash River. Bios is not correct. Indus is not correct. Exactly what river? Chenab also not correct. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Ravi. It is Ravi. Okay, Aravindan gave the right answer. It's a Ravi River. Kartarpur Shrine is located. Okay. Sargasso Sea is located in which ocean? Sargasso Sea is located in which ocean? Atlantic. Okay, North Atlantic Ocean. Tarun Prabhu gave the right answer. North Atlantic Ocean. Sargasso Sea is there. Okay. Indian Neutrino Observatory, we know in West Body Hills. What are the two departments in charge for Indian Neutrino Observatory? Indian Neutrino Observatory. Two departments of India are responsible for conducting this project. Department of Atomic Energy, Adiban, right answer. And next one is correct. Department of Atomic Energy is correct. Next one. Yes, Adiban, you gave the right answer. Department of Atomic Energy and the Department of Science and Technology. Indian Neutrino Observatory. Okay, okay, Ashwin. Another question. Victoria Falls is located between these two countries. Victoria Falls is located between these two countries in border. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls. Zambia is one is correct. Another one is Zimbabwe. Very good, Aravindan. Dilipan and Aravindan gave partial answer. Victoria Falls is located between the Zambia and Zimbabwe. Zambia and Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls is located. The most abundant element in the universe is, everybody knows, most abundant element in the universe. The most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. Very good, Adiban. Most abundant element in the universe is hydrogen. Okay. Okay. Curative petition is filed under Article Dash. Curative petition is filed under Article Dash. 22 is not the right answer. Curative petition 131 is somewhat near, Adiban, but not correct. Not 142 also not correct. Exactly, you have to tell. Curative petition is filed under, very good, Kadir Viswanathan. Curative petition filed under Article 137. Whether it is filed after the review petition or before review petition. Before or after review petition, curative petition. After 30 days. Okay, after Aravindan, it is filed after review petition. First adjudication will be given, then review petition, then curative petition. For review petition, there is 30 days timeline. For curative petition, there is no timeline. Okay. Curative petition under Article 137 filed after review petition. Okay. You have to tell true or false. Okay. There is no suo motu power for Lokpal. There is no suo motu power for Lokpal. True or false? False. True. Tarun Prabhu gave the right answer. Lokpal does not have the suo motu power. Okay. Lokpal does not have the suo motu power. Who is called Lak Baksh? Lak Baksh in ancient medieval. Lak Baksh. L-A-K Lak, B-A-K-S, Lak Baksh. Whom? No, whose name? Like Bigira Boja, we told Adivaraha, like that. Lak Baksh nickname. Very good, Sandhya. Kutubuddin Aibak. Kutubuddin Aibak was called as Lak Baksh. Okay, next question is, who built Kawatul Islam Mosque? It's a mosque. Kawatul Islam Mosque. Who built Kawat? Very good, Kadir. It is also the same Kutubuddin Aibak. Lak Baksh also Kutubuddin Aibak. The person who built the Kawatul Islam Mosque is also Qutbuddin Aibak. Who introduced silver tanka and copper jital? Who introduced silver? Okay, Iltutmish. Adiban gave the right answer. Iltutmish introduced silver tanka and copper jital. Okay. Okay. In Muzaffar conspiracy case, I already come across. It happened in 1908. The same year, another one famous conspiracy case held in India. Muzaffar conspiracy case 1908. The same year, another important conspiracy case happened. Lahore is not correct. Very good, Gokul Raj. Alipur conspiracy case 1908. Okay, Alipur conspiracy case, Muzaffar conspiracy case happened in the same year. Okay. When did Chittagong Armory raid happened? That Surya and Kalpana did. They go to Chittagong, that storage place. They will destroy everything. When that happened, Chittagong Armory raid. Somewhat near, I think. Exactly 1931. Everybody saying 1931. 1930. Okay, Sandhya gave the right answer. 1930, Chittagong Armory raid happened. Okay. Okay, welcome Tirumala Vanan. Okay. Okay. Direct action day. When is the day? Direct action day. Direct action day. Direct action day. When it is? When it was? 16th August 1946. Very good, Adiban. 16th August 1946. Direct action day. Okay. Another very easy question. First communist of South India. First communist of South India. Singaravela. Very good, Tarun Prabhu. Singaravela Chettiar or Singaravela. First communist of the South India. Okay. Another very easy question. Indian Constitution was adopted on dash date. Indian Constitution was adopted on dash date. Indian Constitution. November 26th year. Year 26th November 1950 is not correct. Sandhya gave the right answer. 26th November 1949. Okay, Indian Constitution was adopted on 26th November 1949. Okay. Another easy question. After the Treaty of Dash, Nepal ceded the districts of Garhwal and Kumaon in 1816. After the Treaty of Dash, Nepal ceded the districts of Garhwal and Kumaon in 1816. Very good. Sagauli Treaty. Treaty of Sagauli. Kadir Vishwanathan gave the right answer. Treaty of Sagauli. Okay. We know the doctrine of lapse. It happened between this and this year. Doctrine of lapse was introduced. It happened in India, in British India, during this to this year. When you know the person who is responsible and his period, you can easily tell the doctrine of lapse period. Very good, Adiban Nagarajan. Doctrine of lapse, 1848 to 1856. Okay, doctrine of lapse, 1848 to 1856. Okay, another repeated question. It was asked in previous session. Largest shareholder of Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank. Largest shareholder of Asian Infrastructure and Investment Bank, China. Very good, Gokul Raj. Okay, there are 4 countries. Recently, one country joined. They are called cotton 4 countries or C4 countries. Okay, they are cotton producing countries in Africa. They are called as C4 countries. Even though yes, new country joined there, it is still called as C4 countries or cotton 4 countries. What are the 4 countries? Burkina Mali, very good. 2 right. South Africa is not there. 2 you have written. You have given right. Chad, very good. 3. Another 1 more. Congo is not there. Egypt also not there. One more. 1 more. Okay. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Namibia is C4 countries. BBCM. Okay. Burkina Faso already told, I think. BBCM. Okay. Benin. 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 Burkina Faso. Chad. Mali. Okay. Benin. Burkina Faso, Chad, Mali, BBCM. Recently, Cote d'Ivoire also joined, but still it is C4 countries only. Okay, cotton producing countries. Okay, I will tell you the explanation. You have to tell what scheme it is. It is a ad hoc price support scheme implemented on the request of the state government. First point. All the agricultural and horticultural commodities for which MSP are not fixed and are generally perishable nature are covered. Second point. Third point, losses suffered or shared on 50:50 basis between central and state government. What is the name of the scheme? Market intervention scheme. Very good. Aravindan gave the right answer. It's somewhat difficult question, but still he able to give the answer. Market intervention scheme. And the ad hoc price support scheme implemented on the request of the state government. All the agricultural, horticultural commodities for MHP not fixed or and is generally perishable nature are covered. Losses suffered or shared on 50:50 basis between central government and state. Okay. Another easy question. Earth's sister planet. Earth's sister planet. Mars is not the right answer. Mars is right answer. Venus. Tarun Prabhu gave the right answer. Earth's sister planet is Venus. Okay. Another repeated question. Planets with no moons. Planets with no moons. Repeated question. Mercury, one. Another one, Ashwin. Mercury, Mars is not the answer. Mercury and Venus. Okay. Mercury and Venus does not have the moons. Okay. Okay. Sea breeze happens during day. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Land breeze happens in the night. Okay. Sea breeze, you have to remember, sea breeze happens during the day. Land breeze happens during the night. Dash clouds is formed due to mixing of air masses with the different temperatures. Dash clouds is formed due to mixing of cumulonimbus, not right. Mixing of air masses with the different temperatures. Nimbostratus, actually it is stratus clouds. Okay, stratus clouds is formed due to the mixing of air masses with a different temperature. Okay, another question. Siachen Glacier is located in which range? Siachen, Karthik Manikandan, welcome. Siachen Glacier is located in which range? Karakoram. Very good, Kadir Vishwanath, Karakoram range. The upper portion of the mantle is called? The upper portion of the mantle is called? I need specific answer. Very good, Tirumavalavan K. Asthenosphere. The upper portion of the mantle is called asthenosphere. Okay. Schedule 5 of the WPA Act deals with the Schedule 5. Schedule 5 of WPA Act deals with the dash. Somewhat difficult question. No, plants is endemic plants comes under Schedule 6. Gokul Raj, endemic plants comes under Schedule 6. The Schedule 5 deals with vermin. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. Schedule 5 deals with the vermin. Vermin means the animals can be hunted without any restrictions. Schedule 5 vermin, endemic plants comes under Schedule 6 under WPA Act 1972. Okay, we came across the term nor'westers, the thunderstorms in Bengal and Assam is also known as nor'westers. It was reduced to 4 schedule node. Okay. This comes under now Schedule 4. Okay. Mango showers. Mango shower is in South India, man. Nor'westers, thunderstorms in Bengal and Assam is also known as. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Kalbaishaki. Okay. Kalbaishaki. Nor'westers is also known as Kalbaishaki. It is the thunderstorm in Bengal and Assam. Another easy question. Oldest fold mountains of India. Oldest fold mountain of India. Oldest means also this. Okay, very good. Or welcome, or you gave the right answer. Aravallis are the oldest fold mountains of India. Okay, Ganga originates as a river in what name? And further it meets Alaknanda at which place? Ganga originates and that at that place it is not called as Ganga. Bhagirathi, very good. Or gave the right answer. Ganga originates at Bhagirathi. At it meets Alaknanda at which place? Very good, Tirumavadava. It meets Alaknanda and Devaprayag. After that only it is called as Ganges. Ganges originates at Bhagirathi. Further it meets Alaknanda, Devaprayag. Then it is called as the Ganges. Okay. Which is the highest peak of Peninsular Plateau? Highest peak of Peninsular Plateau. Animudi, very good. Animudi peak is the highest peak of Peninsular Plateau. Highest peak of South India also Animudi. Okay. Highest peak of South India, highest peak of Peninsular Plateau, Animudi. Okay. Kaimur Hills forms the eastern part of Dash Range. Kaimur Hills forms the eastern part of the Dash Range. Range means chain of hills. In that, Vindhya Range. Very good. Kadir Vishwanath gave the right answer. Kaimur Hills forms the eastern part of the Vindhyan Range. Okay. Most of the dunes and the duars are located in this range. Most of the dunes and duars are located in the Dash Range. Lesser Himalayas, you have to be very specific name. Specific. Dunes, Shivalik, very good. R gave the right answer. Most of the dunes and duars are located in the Shivalik range. Okay. Dash Plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhyan range. Dash Plateau lies between Aravalli and Vindhyan range. Between Aravalli and Deccan. How Deccan? Aravalli to Vindhyan. Malwa, very good. Tirumavalan is a newcomer. He is doing well. Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli and Vindhyan range. Aravalli and Vindhyan range. Malwa Plateau. Maghi River emerges from Dash range. Maghi River emerges from Dash range. Maghi River emerges from Dash range. Western Ghats. How? Western Ghats is in South India. Aravalli also not correct. Vindhyachal. Okay, Vindhyan range. Maghi River emerges from the Vindhyan range. Okay, Maghi River emerges from Vindhyan range. Okay, another technical terms in geography, you have to tell the technical term. All process that move, elevate, or build up portion of the earth crust come under dash. All process that move, elevate, or build up portions of the earth crust is called dash. Mountain building process is orogenic. I am saying all the process, build, elevate, or build up, move. Very good. It is called diastropism. Diastropism. All process that move, elevate, or build up the portions of the earth comes under diastropism. Okay, diastropism. Drumlins indicates the direction of dash movement. Drumlins, geography, indicates the glacier. Very good, Mithun. Welcome, Mithun. Indicates the direction of glacier movement. Drumlins indicates the direction of glacier movement. Okay. Another repeated question. Eastern dedicated freight corridor. From which place to which place, which state to which state? Eastern dedicated freight corridor. This already asked in previous sessions. Kolkata to Kanyakumari. Inset Silchar. No. Specifically, Eastern dedicated freight corridor. Kolkata to Chennai. Punjab to West Bengal. Very good. Punjab and West Bengal. Tara gave the right answer, but you have to name the place. Punjab to West Bengal. Where it is in Punjab? It's starting. Ludhiana. Okay. Not. I will tell you the answer. It is starting from Shaniwal in Punjab and Dankuni in West Bengal. Okay. Shaniwal in Punjab to Dankuni in West Bengal. Eastern dedicated freight corridor. Okay. Shaniwal in Punjab and Dankuni in West Bengal. Okay. Trough. We came across the term trough. TROUGH in geography. What does it mean? Trough means what? In geography. Wave. No, that trough is different. Low pressure. A belt of low pressure area is called trough. TROUGH. Low pressure area. Belt of low pressure area. Okay. Another easy question. Cherrapunji, March syndrome are located in Dash Hills. Serapunji and Masindram are located in Dash Hills. Meghalaya, we know specific hill name. Kashi Hills, very good, Gokul Raj. Serapunji and Masindram are located in the Kashi Hills. Okay. Okay. Another somewhat difficult twist question. You have to understand clearly the question. There are two waves, local waves, in the north of Alps, which blows away from the Mediterranean Sea. Another one wave blows south of Alps towards the Mediterranean Sea. These two waves works in opposite directions. You have to tell, one is phone and another one is, these are all completely opposite. The wave of mode of action is completely opposite. Sirocco, one is phone is correct. Sirocco is in African region. Rose by waves, no. You are going out of the box. Mistal, very good, Karthik Panikarna. Phone and Mistal works in opposite direction. Okay, phone, it blows from north of Alps away from the Mediterranean Sea. Okay, Mistal south of Alps and blow towards Mediterranean Sea. Okay, phone and Mistal, their mode of action direction is completely opposite. Okay, another easy question. Tornado over the sea is called dash. Tornado over the sea is called dash. Tornado over the sea is called Puyal. What? Water spout. Very good. Arvindan gave the right answer. Tornado over the sea is called water spouts. Okay. Another repeated question. We are in the last stage of our quiz program. Totally 40 minutes. We have already crossed 36 minutes. Okay. The highest tides in the world occur. You have to tell the water body exactly. It is a repeated question. I already told you several times. Nova Scotia, Canada, that's no. You have to tell the water body. Bay of Fundy. Subhash Chandra Bose gave the right answer. The highest tide in the world occur in the Bay of Fundy. Okay, Bay of Fundy, Nova Scotia, Canada. Okay. Another easy question. Sun, Earth, Moon. Both three are in straight line. Means which tide will occur? Sun, Earth, Moon. Three are spring tide. Very good, Tirumavalaman. Straight line means spring. Yes. Spring tide, yes. Straight line, allo, yes. So, yes. So, sun, earth, moon occurs in straight line means it is spring tide. Otherwise, it is neap tide. Spring tide, otherwise, neap tide. Straight means spring tide. Cairo program of action deals with related area. Cairo program of action. Cairo is a place in Egypt. There is a called Cairo program of action. To know the certification. Environment, no. Deforestation, no. I will give you the clue. UP recently tried to do certain activities related to that. UP government initiated. My question is Cairo program of action. Cairo, CAIRO. It is a place in Egypt. Cairo program of action deals with dash. Recently, UP government proposed to enact a legislation. At that time, people spoke about these things. Cairo program of action. Okay, if I will give you a clue, you can easily identify. Mission. No. Mission Parivar Vikas. If you tell, you can easily identify. Mission Parivar Vikas. Family control. Okay, Subhash Chandra Bose. It is reproductive health, population and development. Cairo program of action deals with reproductive health, population and development. Okay. With this question, we are winding up our today's session. Okay. We will meet tomorrow. I will tell you the time in the Telegram group. So this session is going to end. Okay, thank you, Subhash Chandra Bose. Thank you, everyone. Okay, I'm signing off. Bye, Arvindan. Bye, Tirumalavan. Come again. It is the first time I am seeing you, Tirumalavan. You regularly please attend this quiz program and inform your friends also. Tava Indu, thank you. We are planning to record those videos. I don't know how it's going to work, but we will try to do it so that everybody can see it a later time. But how far it is going to work out, we do not know. Okay, bye.